Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to learn our new chapter 10, time. Time, you all know that. How do we seize time? We all work on time, okay. Everything we do, everything we look for the time. Okay, when you come to school, there is time schedule. And when you have breakfast, you have time schedule. But we need one thing to see the time. Okay, we use time to see clock. We use to see the time. So today I am going to introduce one clock. Okay, now here I have drawn a clock, picture of clock by drawing a circle, and I have mentioned here 12, 3, 6 and 9. Here I am going to tell you here the 12 should come up, and just direct that we have to write that 6. Okay. Then after 12, quarter. After taking quarter, you have to mention number 3. And here number 9. I hope you understand this. Here just above in the center you have to mention the number 12. Just below that you have to mention 6, and you have to again make it quarter and write 3. Just beside, just directly you have to mention number 9 also. Then your mentioning the clock will be right. Now I am going to show you how you have to, when you draw the clock, how you have to mention the numbers. Here 12 after you have to mention number 1 and 2. Then 3 after you know that 4 and 5. And 6 after you can say 7. And here 8. Okay. And here you can see 9 is already there, 10 and 11. Okay. Here now I have mentioned all the numbers that is needed in a clock. That clock is commonly we are getting as 12-hour clock. 12-hour clock. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 hours in a clock. But you know that there are 24 hours in a day. Okay. There are 24 hours in a day. But when we see the clock, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And inside that clock you can see one small hand. This small hand is called our hand. And one more hand also you can see. This is the short one is our hand. And the long one is called minute hand. Minute hand. And also if meridian. Anti-meridian and PM means post-meridian. 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 Anti-meridian and post-meridian. The second topic and also the last topic in this video is we are introducing AM and PM. That means anti-meridian. You know, I have already explained a clock only mentioned 12 hours. But there are 24 hours. So midnight to 12 noon. Midnight to 12 noon. 12 noon we can consider it as 12 noon we can consider it as AM, and after 12 noon, after 12 noon we can see to midnight. To midnight 12. Midnight 12 it is P. Okay, this AM and anti-meridian and post-meridian, that means midnight, रात के 12 बजे से सुबह के 12 बजे तक AM होता है और सुबह के 12 बजे से रात के 12 बजे तक PM होता है. I hope you understood this. Now let us see our book and understand more about these two topics. Now let's read the chapter 10, time. Measurement of time. We use a watch or a clock to see the time. A clock has two hands. The short hand tells the hours and so it is called the hour hand. The long hand tells the minutes, so it is called the minute hand. The face of the clock has numbers from 1 to 12 marked on. That means here you can see, and also I have already explained in the class, 12-hour clock. Now let's revise. Here the minute hand is at 12. The minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 2. So the time is 2 o'clock. The minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 4. The time is 4 o'clock. Okay. Here you can see the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is between 2 and 3. So the time is 2:30 or 2:30. But it is called 2:30. 2:30 means 2 का आधा हो गया है लेकिन 3 नहीं हुआ. Okay. The minute hand is at 6. The hour hand is between 4 and 5. The time is 4:30 or 4:30. The minute hand is at 3. The hour hand is between 2 and 3. Here the difference you see. Minute hand is at 3 and 2. Hour hand is between 2 and 3. The time is 4:15. That means, see, the timing from 12 to 3. 4:15. It is past. 15 minutes past. Now here you can see the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is between 4 and 5. The time is 4:15. इसका मतलब है 4 होकर 15 मिनट बीत गया. ओके, लेकिन इधर देखिए 3. द मिनट हैंड इज एट 9. 9 में है मिनट हैंड और 2 और 3 के बीच में द आर हैंड इज क्लोज टू 3. 3 के पास. द टाइम इज 2:45 और 2:45 इधर ये डिफरेंस दिए. ये देखना है जब इधर से है, देखिए इधर से 3 में मिनट हैंड है उसको 4:15 बोलता है और 9 में है तो उसको 2 2 or next number. Okay. Then the minute hand is at 9. The hour hand is close to 5. The time is 4:45 or quarter to 5. Now exercise 10A. Look at the clocks and fill in the blanks. First one I will do for you first. Here the minute hand is at, picture says minute hand is at 12. The hour hand is at 9. The time is 9 o'clock. The minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 3. So it is 3 o'clock. These rest all the questions you have to do. Here you see, draw the hands to show the given time. 7:30. 7:30. That means hour hand 7 और hour hand छोटा वाला 7 और 8 के बीच में और हाफ मिनट हैंड लॉन्ग वाला 6 में आएगा और ये 7 और 8 के बीच में आएगा तो 7:30. ओके. क्वार्टर टू 8 ये भी हम दिखाएंगे. क्वार्टर टू 8 इसका मतलब है क्वार्टर टू 8 बचने के लिए 15 मिनट बचा है. 7:45. Quarter to 8 means 7:45. So you have to say the hour hand should be close to 8 and also the minute hand should be, the long will should be at 9. Okay. Concept of AM and PM. AM and PM, the full form I have written here, anti-meridian and post-meridian. Okay, we know that a day has 24 hours. Only 12 hours are shown on the face of the clock. The day is divided into 2 halves. From 12 o'clock at night, midnight, to 12 o'clock at noon is the first half. These 12 hours are considered as morning hours. To show time from midnight to noon, we write AM. इसका मतलब रात की 12 बजे से सुबह की 12 बजे तक हम लोग AM लिखते हैं. The time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is the second half. These 12 hours are considered as afternoon or evening hours. To show timing from 12 noon to 12 midnight, we write PM. What is the full form of AM? Anti-meridian and PM post-meridian. Okay. We write 8 o'clock in the morning as 8 AM and we write 8 o'clock in the evening as 8 PM. Here exercise 10B you can see, complete the following statements by filling AM or PM. I wake up at 6 AM. Subah. My school starts at 8 AM. ये सब आपको कंप्लीट करना है. Gets over at 2 PM. ओके. ऐसे I go to play ये सब आपको समझ के करना है. अपना आप से करेंगे तो और थोड़ा सही हो जाएगा. अभी देखिए नंबर B. What will be the time after 4 hours of the following times? That means इसके साथ 4 hours जोड़ना है. 6 AM to 4. तो आपको इसके 6 के साथ 4 जोड़ के करना है. ये सब आपको अपना मेंटल वर्क के लिए हम होमवर्क दे रहे हैं. This is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.